Well, in this session, we will be discussing about the Alchemy Upscaler. So this is one more way to enhance the picture which you have already been generated, and you want to take it the quality of the image to the next level. So Alchemy is a version 2 of the quality enhancement. So I will come back to the personal feed to see that the content which I have been generated, and I can pick it from my generated content also, or I can take any image and I can generate the new one, right? So I will be generating the new image to let you to understand a bit better. So I will come to the image generation, right? And here I will be writing um, I will be writing the prompt which I want. um, okay, I have been writing the detail, and I'm keeping the prompt bit similar to the Scottish man. Um, and the scene will be modern. That was the 1800 scene, so I'm keeping it a modern scene to understand the difference. I'm keeping it the similar details in this image as well. The quality of the image is a desktop 16 by 9 ratio, and two images with the private mode, and the options are photo real. It's already being selected, and my prompt is being written, right? The only thing which I have been added is modern scene, um, like some new concept of this image. So this image is being generating. The Alchemy is something that you want to be use limited tokens as well, because universal upscaler in terms of token is bit expensive, because it upscale also, like you make your image in large. But the Alchemy Upscaler is something you want to just increase the content. So this is the image, it's already being generated. So you can see is a very close-up fee, similar is Scottish man concept, right? So here you can see the face expression and everything, all the details related to this image. And now you have the option which we wanted to be accessed is Alchemy Upscaler. You can also access from the image itself at the right hand side bottom. This icon, it let you to. So we can see here that this option is used to refine and upscale your image. Upscale means quality of the image. So I have clicked to this. Now it's asking me that there's the two options: refiner strength, what level I want it to be, enhance the image or refine the image. So I will keep it high. The smooth mode, I made it on. So these two options. Now you can see the tokens which I've been using to doing the Alchemy Upscaler is only 8 tokens, but in the universal upscaler I spend around 110. So almost 10% of the tokens which I have, which we are using for it, right? So the image have been is in progress, so I can access it from my personal feed itself, or I can use it from him in here itself, right? So I will come to my personal feed to access the image, and there's a difference that you can differentiates here. These are all your images and the images which you have upscaled, and your motions also. I'll click to the image which I have been upscaled. I'll so here I have upscaled. So you can see the image details have been increased. The face expression is a bit smoother, right, and blurry and more focused. So now what's the difference? So once I click the drop down menu, so I can see I have two versions of this image. The first version which we have been generated as a sample, like a first image, and the second is the upscaler also. So even the sizes are exactly the same. The size has not increased, but the quality have been increased. So this is the original image, which I have been generated. Now I will click to the smooth and high quality. So that is the difference. Once you have been generated, face expressions are not in detail. Most of the situation, if your prompt is strong, your face expression and your detailing of the image itself will be a good and better, as prompt is directly interacting to the image. After generating, upscaling is one of the options we have. So Alchemy Upscaler is the best option to enhance your image with the minimal tokens. So this is all for this session. We will be discussing more features in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.